Hey everyone, today I'll walk you through how to unlock your FPS in Roblox. Normally capped at 60, I'll show you how to remove this limit. Let's dive in. Open browser. Start by opening any browser and head over to this GitHub page. I'll link it in the description below. Copy code. Once there, simply copy the code provided by clicking the button on the page. Create JSON file now, create a text document, and name it exactly as shown on the website, clientsettings.json. Paste the copied code into this file. Adjust settings optional. You can adjust the target PS value in the code to suit your PC's performance. Save file. Save the file once you're done. Navigate to Roblox folder. Search for Roblox in your file explorer and open the game's directory. Create folder. Inside the Roblox folder, create a new folder named Client Settings. Paste file. Paste the clientsettings.json file into this folder. Restart game if Roblox is running. Close and relaunch it. And that's it. Your FPS should now be unlocked in Roblox. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more content like this. See you in the next one.